Alright. Let's load some firewood. I tried the grapple bucket. On the small pieces they tend to fall through, so just the old-fashioned way. Hopefully I got the camera aimed right. If not, such is life. I try. So yeah, I'm pretty impressed with that little bucket. Kind of wish I would have had that on a little earlier. Oh well. Got lots of trees to dig out still. Probably, I don't know, all those. I may not dig them all out. Just enough to punch the road through. So yeah, right now the road's here. I'm deleting that road. And the road's going over here. So it's going to be a sweep around, basically through the middle of that dirt pile and up. A giant S-ish shape, depending on which direction you draw your S's. Because right now, this road comes down. It's not right. It's not good. The water runs in there. I had to put a berm in to control the water around, so it's got a huge hump in it. It's like, it ain't right. I'm gonna fix it. Make it right. Make it right. Or I could just complain about it. I don't know what you think. Complain about it or make it right? I mean, I think I'm still on quarantine, lockdown. I don't know. I'm getting mixed signals on what I'm supposed to be doing. I don't know if I should be, yeah, I don't know. So, I guess until I hear differently, I'm just gonna stay away from everybody. I recommend everybody stay away from me too, because that's just gonna work out better for both of us. Trust me, it's always gonna work out better for me than it is for you. That's a fact. Unless you bring a lot of friends, but you're gonna have to bring a bunch. I mean, let's just remain socially distanced. That'll work out better for everybody. Ooh, okay. Well, I bend it over. Got those over there. I'll grab those now too, I guess. Oh my work wedges. Did I grab those? Yeah, better. I figure out what I do with that bucket. Probably somehow get into this and take it up top, store it temporarily. I mean, it's going to go back on. That's a definitely more useful bucket. All right, those. Let's do this. Let's do this damn thing. We're gonna grab those big chunkers too and get those moved right now. Make a team effort out of it. I feel like this channel's turning into me driving a skid loader channel. If you only knew, that's not my main thing in life. I'm not even an official skid loader operator, to be honest with you. One of these days I actually might film what I do. I don't know if I ever talked about that. That might be a surprise for some of you. Should I break the news? I'm actually a sculptor. I mean, that's what I went to college for. Excelled at in college. Top of my class, dean's list. All that good stuff. International Honor Society. Yeah, artist. Who would have thunk? Huh, yeah, one day. One day I'll make smart. Till then, I got some other shit to do. That's a whole other topic. I'm not sure if I want to get into it. Oh well. Yeah. This is a form of art. This is performance art. That's what we're doing here. This is the performance art of log tossing. Ooh, is he going to cooperate? What do you think? What, you taking wages? Is that going to stay in there? Probably not. Let's take this up too while we're at it. We're heading that way. Those, not logs. I don't burn roots because I can't. I could. I just choose not to cut the roots up because all the dirt that's on them. It's kind of hard on your chainsaw blades. So I don't know if I got this head adjusted right. Like something I noticed. I watched some of my other videos. It's like when I look down at the thing, so I got to look up here. Hands down a little bit. That way it's catching what I'm doing. When it heads up. Yeah, it's not bad. I'm not a professional videographer. Just play one on YouTube. Woo, it stayed. So the trick's going to be to get those ones in the front to flop out on the split pile. See how good I am. Nice wide road. That's got to go. Still, I didn't get them all. You little devils. We're going back up anyways. See if we can get this behemoth in here. Teeth? Teeth. I like it. We set it up top, get it out of the way. good, kids. All right. Stay safe. Trying to get too much dirt in your tooth. I just got a mouthful of dirt in my tooth. Ugh. Gross.